guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. Hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. I did. It was quick and expensive, and I'm glad it's over with because that means summer's coming. I actually have two very important birthdays coming up in January. And once I get through that, it's smooth sailing towards spring and then summer, which is my absolute favorite season. Both my husband and my daughter's birthdays in January, so that's a big one right after Christmas too, right? Anyway, that said, today we have a huge Dollar Tree haul, a huge. So sit back, get a glass of wine, cup of coffee, tea, water, whatever your beverage of choice is, and relax and enjoy while I show you my Dollar Tree haul. And then I have a Temu haul coming soon, a huge Temu haul coming to you soon. And that's pretty much all I have to say, I think. Guys, make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let's get into the video. So, I have two bags here, and they are from two separate shoppings. Two bags from two separate shopping days. Two separate Dollar Trees, I should say, not shopping days. So some things might be mixed and matched, mixed, whatever. Some things might be. You'll see. Why are you like that? Why are you crooked? What happened? Did I knock you out? Okay. I have Crafter Square. I love Crafter Square. They have these, and I got a bunch of them already. And I keep saying that I'm going to cover my journals. I have a stack. When I tell you a stack of journals that I've done, and I'm working on, and they're a work in progress, and none of them are completed, but I work on them every so often, and there's a huge stack of them, but none of them have covers. And I've been noticing people have been covering theirs. So I saw these at Dollar Tree, and let's see. So I got pink, the turquoisey blue, this, it's like a flannel, and then this flannel, pink. My thought was I was going to do like a whole, an all pink book. Would that be cool? I don't know how realistic that would be, but that's my thought. But I'm not sure how big these are, and it does say it, but I'm lazy. So we'll just do it this way. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Huge. I could have just bought one. Anyway, I was going to do like a pink one, a blue one, this, whatever. Anyway, I got these. They were $1.25 each. Okay. If you guys want, when I do one of these, we can do a video on it. I don't know if you want. I don't know. Okay. Valentine's is coming up. I am huge on decorating for holidays, for every single holiday. I have Valentine's, what do they call these? Kitchen towels already, but this one was so stinking cute. They only had this one, so I have to go to another Dollar Tree to see if they have another one. This would just be decoration because it's got like sparkles on it. And oh my God, how cute is that? Baked with love. It's so cute. $1.25. The one I went to only had the one. The other one I went to, I forgot to look for it, but I love that. But yeah, I decorate for every single holiday. Every holiday. Because Christmas is over, everything is 50% off. So I love M&Ms. So I got these for what, 75 cents? So it's just, oops, another fabric there. All right, I'm trying to get all the Christmas stuff out for you guys. Oh, crafty friend Wanda. Hi, Wanda. Hope everything's good. Hope mom's doing all right. She does this thing with her husband. Now, her whole family, her boys are grown. She's obviously grown. Her husband's grown. But she's so funny and has the best personality ever. And she loves doing the elf on the shelf for her husband. And it drives him nuts, but she's really funny and she's very creative with it. And I was going to do it this year with my husband because like she would send me every single day what she did with it, and it's just really funny. But I can't find an elf. I think Sarah took the elf that we had here. Dollar Tree had it, this plush elf. It was 50% off. So guess what? This is going to be our elf on the shelf for next year, and I'm going to do him. How cute is he? So that's that. All right. I also got these were 75 or not 75, 50% off. But they're pom-poms. So there's green. You can do them for, I figure for my journals, but you can do them for St. Patrick's Day or any day actually. But 3 yards. So I got one of each of those. Crafter Square double-sided tape, phenomenal. It's only 0.3 inches, 8 millimeters by 10 millimeters, but it's phenomenal, their tape, and it's only $1.25, and you get all this for it, and I highly recommend. They're acrylic markers. Let me zoom you in. Let me zoom you in. Acrylic markers. I've already opened them, obviously, because I had to go to the dealership the other day and bring my car in to get checked. And while I was waiting, prior to me going there, I picked up the acrylic markers along with a composition book that I decided to color while I was sitting there just for shits and giggles. I'm going to turn this into a journal and I'm going to cover it, I think. I'm wondering if this will cover it, actually. We'll do front and back. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. But anyway, while I was there just doing nothing, I wanted to be creative. So I decided to use all the colors. I didn't get all of them done because they told me my car was done prior to me finishing, obviously. But I colored in all the little, they were all white like that. I colored in all the white. I got this there with $1.25. And I didn't realize the top, is this like a mess up? I think they have a mess up. Oh, you can draw a picture on top. Oh, I didn't realize that. That's creative. It's blank, and then it has the word thing. Doesn't matter, I'm going to cover it up anyway. But it's very flimsy paper, so I would probably glue 2 together. Make it one, and then put my stuff on it. But we'll see. We shall see. So that's that. These work phenomenally, by the way. The coverage is great. Acrylic markers, you get 5 of them for $1.25. Now, like the purple, I had to go over twice. You can see here, you have to go over it twice. It dries very quickly, but you have to go over it. The pink, I had to go over a couple times. I was actually working on the pink when the guy told me my car was done. So, but anyway, they're phenomenal. Highly recommend. They have primary colors as well. I didn't get them because I wasn't sure how they were, but I would definitely go back for more. Next thing is, I already have these, but I got them again. The vellum paper, because I was looking at my local one, and they didn't have any more left, but I do like this vellum paper. $1.25, you get 6 sheets of each. Good quality, and I like them, so I got Got him again. Alrighty. I got Tacky Glue. Aleene's Tacky Glue. Because you never know when you need Tacky Glue. 3 ounces for $1.25, guys. For Aleene's. Can't beat that. A stapler. And 500 staples. Because I thought I was going to be at the dealership longer. And I was planning on taking some of this and putting it on the edges of the pages. But I didn't have time. These were 50% off. Snowflakes, little glitter, and more glitter. They only had 1 pack of those, or I would have grabbed some more. And washi tape, the only washi tape they had in the one store that I went to, and I thought, oh, why not? I have a whole bunch of it, but I honestly, like I said, I thought I was going to be there longer, and I thought this would be pretty on the edges of the pages of this. And then I got these 2 ribbons, lace ribbon. One's off-white, one's white. Alright, and then next store I went to, I got a bunch of stickers. These puffy stickers. I only found one of these, or I would have got another because I thought they were cool. They had a whole bunch of these, but these are those 3D-ish kind of ones that I had in my last video. Butterflies, and more butterflies. I don't need any more butterflies, guys, and I really don't use a lot of butterflies on my stuff. So I don't know why I got them, but also I got more of these papers. The last time I got them from there, they smelled really bad, like mold. And I did find a couple pieces that have mold on them. They're just scratched paper. And they smell the same. Moldy, very moldy. We're going to air them out. But I liked this. This page caught my eye. Thought there'd be more, but there's not. They smell like mildew. Yeah, so I'm going to have to let them air out a little bit. I was searching high and low for stick glue. Because again, I thought I'd be at the car dealership way longer than I was. And I thought I'd be wanting to stick things to the paper. And couldn't find any, but on my way home I was like, oh crap, the whole reason I went to the Dollar Tree was to get eyeliner and Visine, which they didn't have the Visine. No, none of the Dollar Trees I went to had Visine. But I couldn't find the stick glue, but I finally found it at the last place I went to. The last one I went to, $1.25. I was looking for a yellow thing. I don't know why I thought it was yellow, but permanent, low odor, no residue. DIY craft. This is good for sticking paper together, so you don't have like the lumpy bumpies, you know, and you don't have to use a crap ton of the score tape. This I'm pretty sure I already have, but I couldn't remember, so I got it again. Pretty sure I have it, but why not? Whatever. And then I did find eyeliner. I've never used this before, but Auto Eyeliner. I like the scroll up eyeliner. Smudge proof. It says smooth smudge proof LA Colors. It's black. I use black eyeliner, so that's what I got. So that's my haul, guys. That is what I got from Dollar Tree this time round, and that's all I got. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.